I got this coffee table because it matches my TV stand. We just put it together, so it has these gorgeous mid-century modern wooden legs. And then it's that strong, durable, easy to wipe down and clean MDF type material. The best part about it is I only had to install the legs, all the gas pistons and hardware on the inside for the lift top and the pull-out drawer were already installed. So it does lift up like here and then just goes back down. So you can see here, really cool. And then where it splits over here, it slides out and open. So you have a nice drawer on this side and you can store things in either side of here. There's plenty of space. So definitely wonderful addition. And then it does slowly go back into place when you let go of the lift top.